Are you a South African that does online shopping on Takealot? Well, this AI hack is just for you. I'm going to show you how you can actually retrieve Takealot specials on a daily basis without having the need to constantly go onto the Takealot website. Let's get into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into makedotcom, and if you don't have a makedotcom account, that's not a problem. What you can do is that you can just go in the link in my description to retrieve the link and then set it up for yourself. It's actually free of charge. And what you're going to do is that from there, you're actually going to create a new scenario. So this is actually how your scenario is going to look in make.com. For those of you who do not know what make.com is such an amazing digital automation platform that you can use to automate a variety of things. Okay, I'm talking thousands of things. And so what you're going to do is that you're going to create a new scenario here. So the first module that you're going to add here is called Dumpling AI, right? Dumpling AI. So you're going to use the scrape URL module. So what you're going to do is that once you add this module, you then going to insert the link of the specials that come from Takealot. So in this instance, they're doing a thank you a lot special sale from Takealot, and I got this URL link from the actual website. After you do that, then you're going to add a second module, which is the text parser module, which is HTML to text. So what's going to happen in this module is that it's going to output the specials on the page in HTML. So now you basically are going to need to convert it into text, and that's what this module is for. Then after you do that, let me just show you guys how it looks. You're just going to map the content that you're getting from this module. So how you do that, let me just take this out. You're going to go to the mapping panel here, and then where it says content at the below, you just click there and then save. Great stuff. All right, now you're ready to then add your next module. So the next module that you're going to add is the OpenAI module. Okay, and now we're going to use a little bit of artificial intelligence to achieve this. So now you're going to use a model which is called GPT-4.1 mini, which is fine, and this is going to be your prompt. Okay, so the role is going to be user, and this is actually going to be your prompt. Your task is to retrieve 5 specials from here. So I mapped then the text that I'm getting from the previous module, the text parser module. Then it says your output must only have the following: product name, was price, is now price, and save this percentage. Great. And then I gave it an example, and then I just said, please make sure there is proper spacing between each special, leave a blank space between each of them, and start a new special on a new line. Okay, and then after you do that, you just click save. Great. And then last but not least, what you're going to do is you're going to then add a new module, being a send an email module. So this you can actually play around with. You can actually maybe connect not just your email, but maybe you can actually take this information and just place it wherever you want it to be, maybe in a database, maybe in Word document, maybe in Telegram, whatever the case might be. You can then in terms of where you're sending it out, you can basically play around with this, but just for demonstration purposes, I used the send an email module. Okay, and then what you do here is that to set it up, you just need to have an active Google account, and then you have to also go through some configuration process, and then you'll just insert your email over there, the subject, which is daily Takealot specials, and then from there you are going to then map then the result from the ChatGPT OpenAI module. Okay, then you just click on save. Perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to test it out so that you guys can actually see the power of this automation. So I'm going to actually open up, or let me just run it like this. Okay. So what you can see now is that Dumpling AI is now scraping the URL that I gave it. So it's scraping the URL from the Takealot homepage. Okay. So this indication over here is a way for us to see that it is working. Then once it's done, then it should actually move on to the next module, being the text parser module. So there we go. Now it is taking that information, it's now text. Now the text is then being sent to the artificial intelligence module over here, and then the next step is that it was sent to my email address, my inbox. Okay, so now I'm actually in my Gmail inbox, and will you have a look at that? It actually came through perfectly. So as a subject, it says daily take a lot specials. I'm gonna click over there, and let's see actually what actually transpired and what happened. So as you guys can see, I'm actually getting all the specials, and I actually got 5 specials. So we got the Johnny Walker Black Label, blend Scotch whiskey, and it's 43% over here. ABV, so 750 ml was 500, now is 500. Okay, so that's interesting. That's not really a special, save 0%. But here we get the glute flat tummy toner, which was 229 rand and now is 159, so you save 31%. Okay, awesome. So I actually should have actually prompted it to be better, so that I don't actually get a special that is actually not a special, which is happening at the top here. But if you look at these other ones here, you can see that I am getting the specials. Power 3-in-1 washing pods, 489 now is 349, which is great. So I'm getting these specials and it's good to go. Perfect. And that's just the power of this automation, and actually what you can expect if you actually utilize this. And I think this is actually incredible if you think about it, like in terms of the greater scheme of things, because at the top of my head, I'm thinking about it. Let's say you are shopping at Takealot and you're also shopping at, let's say, Amazon. Now you can use this automation to get both links and to get both specials from those different platforms, and then put it into your inbox. Let's say you're shopping, let's say from a food perspective, maybe let's say you're looking for McDonald's specials, you're looking for KFC specials, you're looking for Steer specials, you're looking for Burger King specials, etc. What you can do is then you can basically take this automation, make sure that you get all the links from the specials, and then you actually then send the specials to your inbox, and then all the specials will show in that regard. I think the opportunities in terms of this automation are just endless and just boundless and just very, very powerful, and I really think that it's a very useful automation. So guys, please let me know what you think of this automation. Please let me know if it's something that you will actually utilize, if it's something of significance, and if there's maybe tweaks that you would actually like to see, or just have any questions when it comes to it. Please make sure that you leave everything down below in the comment section, and I'll have a look and try my best to actually just comment and just also just give you guys feedback on how we can actually take this to the next level. If you want to see other videos and other things that I'm actually that you'd like me to build and showcase, then please, you know what to do. Just make sure that you do that, and I will be more than happy to do it for you guys. But yeah guys, that's it for me. Please make sure that you like, you share, you subscribe also to my channel and also to this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.